This is day 2. Honey Lemon is in Jasper's cage. I put Jasper on top of Honey Lemon's cage and he climbed down onto the little entrance, sort of like this thing right here. And they are now in the same swing. They aren't fighting with each other. And I can pet Honey Lemon without him being bad. But I think Jasper's a little jealous. Yeah, see, normally he would get on my finger. But you're not, because you're a little jealous, aren't you? But I think they're going to be good friends. Did anybody hear the cheep? Yeah, I heard it. Jasper. There you go. Jasper. I'm going to see if I can get Honey Lemon on my finger. I got him. For 5 seconds. Are y'all going to chirp? Are you two going to chirp? Yes, you are. Y'all are very sweet. I'm playing bird sounds. If any of you want to check this out, it's called Budgie Sounds for 1 hour. You are loud. They look so cute together. Jasper, be nice. This is day 3. They slept in the same cage last night, and both of them are alive. Honey Lemon is a very loud chirper, aren't you? Y'all just missed a huge conversation between them. It was very loud. They're on the playground right now, and the playground always seems to make Honey Lemon chirp. Exactly. That was Jasper. And yesterday, I didn't film it, but Honey Lemon tried to preen Jasper, and Jasper preened Honey Lemon. At first I thought they were fighting, but they weren't. They were preening each other. Brr, ruffle those feathers, ruffle those feathers. Jasper is preening himself. This is going to be a while. Brr. This is all about Honey Lemon. He's chirping. He's chirping a lot. That's right. So guys, let me know in the comments section, how old do you think Honey Lemon is? How old do you think he is? And also, how old do y'all think Jasper is? Alright, so this is me. I have Honey Lemon on this shoulder. And I have Jasper on this shoulder. Walking around. Do you know you're being a bad birdie? Come here. That is the wrong cage. That is the wrong cage. Naughty boy. Millet? Alright, this is day 4. They again slept in the same cage. And as you can see, they're both alive. Aren't you? Yes, you're still alive. Can you chirp? I'm going to put them on the playground because they like to play. Watch this. If I do this with my hand, they're like in unison. Come here. Hey, Jasper. Say hello. Where are you, Dark? Go fly. Look at that. You're chirping. You're chirping. Do you like it? It's your playground. Where's the cage? Where's my cage? Where's my cage? This is the head bobbing thing I was telling you about. Can you follow? Can you do it? Can you do it? You did it! But you're going the wrong way. Here, I'll help you. Here's Jasper. Here's Honey. I'm going to get you in your cage. You're back in your cage. Jasper's eating. Honey's like, oh, can I eat too? Move over, Jasper. It's my turn. Boys, be nice. I will put them on their swing. Alright, so this was days 2 through 4. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like my bird videos. Bye.